Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, it'll get you subscribed to our channel. I'll let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box Pack 10 Blaster Digital Wax Pack or just an Oddball Wednesday. Today, we've got the UFC 2022 Don Russ trading cards. We've got Pack versus Blaster. We're going to see who wins this one. The Blaster, of course, has got a little heads up on the pack because it's got more packs in it. But you know what? I've seen some good stuff come out of these packs. Before I get to that, though, you know what you got to do. Leave me a comment below. When you do, I'm going to get you entered into 2 drawings. That's right, 2 drawings. One for that monthly giveaway, which is a tin filled of number cards, parallel cards, relics, and autographs. And 2 is going to be for this flawless briefcase giveaway. This sucker stuffed full of number cards, parallel cards, relics, sapphire cards, graded cards, printed cards, sketch plates, 101s, and a whole boatload of autographs. Because with every single break that we do, we don't on 1, we throw in 2. That's right, 2 autographs. And today I'm throwing in a Kendrick Warren and a Hector Carrera autograph. These 2 autographs are going into the flawless briefcase. You want a shot at them? All you got to do is just leave me a comment below. You'll be entered into those drawings. All right, here we go. Let's do the Blaster first. There's a lot in here. We'll see if the pack can pull a Hail Mary out there because it doesn't have as many cards. All right, let's do my first look at these Don Russ UFC cards. Done a couple of UFC breaks in the past, but not too many. I don't know too much about UFC, so if I miss something, you guys gotta let me know because I don't know. Don't follow it really, so let me know if I hit something big. All right, here we go. Pack number 1, our UFC Blaster box. All right, Don Russ 2022. We got Gilbert Burns. We got Misha Tate. Got Askarov. Justin Gaethje. I'm butchering half these names probably, so I apologize. Uriah Hall. We got Derek Brunson. Looks like Zhang Weili. Like a parallel of Crunch Time. Robert Whitaker. Number 1. Then we've got a Duos Press Proof card. Alexander Gustafsson and John Jones. All right. Looks like a Mark Coleman. We got Ovens St. Peru, Ryan Hall, a Jimmy Crute, a Sarah McMahon, and a Brendan Allen. Some decent looking cards. Glossy finish on the front, matte on the back. It's a typical Don Russ card. Like Tony Ferguson, Stephen Thompson, Michael Chisa, Shogun Rua, Michael Chandler, got an Anthony Smith, rated rookie Grant Dawson, very cool, rated rookie card, got a Magician's Kamura Usman. And a Craftsman, Nate Diaz. Nate Diaz, Craftsman. Tay Tavusa. We got Sadiq Yusuf. Henry Cejudo. Leonardo Santos. Andrei Marlavosky. And Lauren Murphy. Man. All right, pack number 3. My extensive UFC knowledge is like Conor McGregor. Don't know if any of my subscribers are Conor McGregor fan, but I heard he's got his own Irish whiskey brand too. I wonder if that tastes any good. Arnold Allen. We got Valentina Shevchenko. Dominic Cruz. That's cool. The hand is going above the Don Russ sign up in front. Uriah Faber. You got Derek Lewis. Sounds familiar. Brian Ortega. Yeah, see, that's weird. Did I just catch an error card by chance? Let's check it out. Dominic Cruz, hand in front of the Don Russ logo. Alexander Rakic, arm behind the logo. I'm gonna look that up. And we've got a production line, significant strike lander, Max Holloway. And a sparkly foil, Augusto Sakai. It's not numbered, but it's a foil card. It says the debut edition. I think they give us some kinds of parallels in here. Okay, look for Blaster exclusive laser parallels. Look for the iconic rated rookies featuring the up and coming stars of UFC. Rated rookie signatures parallels. I wonder if this is a laser. I don't know. Anyways, you guys let me know in the comments if you figure it out. Alexei Olenek. Rodolfo Vieira. We got Walt Harris. We got Armin Tsarukyan. And behind the logo hand, Michael Perea. And Angela Hill. Alrighty. Looks like a Calvin Qatar. Alex Perez, Yara Rodriguez, Jennifer May, Donald Cerrone, Josh Emmett, rated rookie Ian Gary. Looks like a Octagon Marvels featuring Peter Yan. Pretty cool card. I have to look these stats up here. Crunch time. Conor McGregor. I know this one. That's cool. So, pink hollow orange laser. I got numbered cards on here. They don't give you the odds really. Just tell you the numbered stuff. Got a Rashad Evans. Got a Song Yadong. Vulcan Ozdemir. It's like a Cody Stamen. Darren Elkins. And Cain Velasquez. It's not bad for a blaster box. You're getting some pretty good packs and cards in here. They're stuffed. Conor McGregor, nice. Jared Canor, Dominic Reyes, Holly Holm, remember her. Dan Hooker, Bella Muhammad, Kamara Usman. Looks like we got a duos, Dustin Pryor and Conor McGregor. Ooh. A number to 199, Kelvin Gastelum. And that is a sparkly cool card. Very nice. Put that one in a sleeve. Irene Alanda, Curtis Blades, Francisco Trinaldo, Tanner Bozer, Dan Eig, and Blagoy Ivanov. Okay. Well, I know this one's got to be a nice little hit. Numbered Kelvin Gastelum. It's like a psychedelic card. We got a Divison Figueroa, Benil Dersham, Caitlin Chugayan, Dustin Priel, Peter Yan. Nope, can't even pronounce it. And we got Paul Craig, rated rookie. Conor McGregor, Craftsman. It's pretty cool. Rated rookie Ian Gary, super sparkly. Got a Tim Means, Jamal Hill, Claudia Gadil, Kevin Holland, Yana, yep, and Georges St. Pierre. It's not too shabby, not too shabby. Got a psychedelic rated rookie card here and a foil. Ian Gary, so not too shabby for this blaster. Let's see what we get out of the pack. 30 card value pack. What are we getting? Any thick cards? I don't see any. Most of the good stuff's in the middle there. We'll do that last. Alright. Some of these names I'm just not going to be able to pronounce. Chris Weidman, Jessica I. Got Felice Herrig, Aspen Ladd, Ed Herman, Edson Barboza, Ticia Torres, Brandon Royval, Alexis Davis, Michelle Watterson. Nope. Long name. Justin Gathai, Uriah Hall. We got Derek Brunson. Zhang Wei, Shogun Rua. He had his name changed. Valentina Shikovoka, Dominic Cruz, Calvin Qatar, Alex Perez, Yair Rodriguez, Conor McGregor. Nice, nice. Rated rookie Panine Kianzad. Alright. Magicians Israel Siva. Get Peter Yan, Craftsman. Significant strike accuracy, Holly Holm. Robert Whitaker, Craftsman parallel there. We got Rafael Dos Anjos and Ticia Torres. Definitely calling it for the blaster because I got these two bad boys here. But I don't know, those green parallels are kind of cool. But we got a rated rookie and we got a numbered Kelvin Gastelum. So going with the blaster on this one. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe I missed something. Let me know in the comments. But thanks for watching and more Hobby Box Breaks coming up. Thanks, everyone.